Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Total Relief Magnesium Cream review. So you might be wondering, what is the Total Relief Magnesium Cream that you may be hearing or seeing online? So Total Relief Magnesium Cream is a topical magnesium cream designed to help provide temporary comfort for muscle tension, joint discomfort, stiffness, and nerve-related sensations such as burning, tingling, and numbness. Now, according to the official website, the cream is applied directly to the affected area, where it delivers combination of magnesium chloride, MSM, arnica, vitamin B6, and vitamin E. The manufacturer states that the formula is paraben-free, artificial dye-free, in this case, phthalate-free, cruelty-free, and free from harsh preservatives and synthetic fragrances. Now, according to the manufacturer here, the cream works by delivering nano-size of magnesium chloride and other ingredients through the skin to the area where it is applied. Magnesium chloride is included to help support muscle relaxation. MSM intended to support ingredient absorption. Arnica is a botanical commonly used and topical soothing products, and vitamin B6 and E are included to support skin and muscle health. Now, the company states that the cream is formulated to provide targeted comfort without the use of oral pain relievers. Now, using the cream itself is quite straightforward. Official instructions recommend applying a small amount of cream to clean dry skin over the area experiencing discomfort, such as the feet, ankles, hands, knees, shoulder, or joints, and gently massage the cream into the skin until it fully is absorbed. Manufacturer recommends applying it once or twice daily, typically in the morning and evening, as a part of a regular routine. The official website here currently lists one package here, one jar at $44, but they do have other options here, like the popular and best value here, which is priced around like $39 per jar, which is a total of $117 and $204 for the best value here. So yeah, the company also offers like bundle discounts and a 90-day money back guarantees. Pricing and promotions may change over time, so that do keep that in mind. So that's essentially what the Total Relief Magnesium Cream is. So yeah, since this is a health-related product, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is highly recommended, especially if you are having troubles with sensitivities in certain areas or with pain. So you may want to consult your doctor first, or if you're taking certain medications already, it would be safer to ask your doctor. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.